English pronunciation with Kim Griffiths English. Archive. This is the place where we store or keep important documents or papers. We can also use the word archive to talk about the collection of papers or documents. Pronunciation. In green is how I think it sounds. In red are the phonemic symbol. Archive, archive. Let's look at two examples. The documents are kept in the archives. The Royal Library has an archive of all the sonnets of Shakespeare. Now let's practice. Repeat after me. Archive. Again, archive. Now repeat the whole sentence after me. The documents are kept in the archives. The Royal Library has an archive of all the sonnets.